All Kinds of Gardens by Mary Schuh. All kinds of gardens. Gardens come in all shapes and sizes. Let's look at different gardens to see what's growing. Flowers and vegetables. Beds of flowers, blossoms, bloom in a flower garden. Beets and other vegetables grow in rows in a vegetable garden. Wildlife gardens. Wildlife gardens have flowers, bushes, and wild grasses. These native plants are easy to grow. Wild animals use wildlife gardens. They eat, drink, and rest in the shade. Other gardens. Container gardens are grown in the ground. These gardens grow in pots. Plants in rock gardens need just a little soil to grow. Water lilies float in water gardens. Koi fish swim among the stems. What kind of garden will you grow? The end.